Hey, how's it going? Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, preheat oven, 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get yourself a square baking tin, baking paper, a little bit of butter on the tin first, then when you put your paper in, see how it fits it nicely, and yeah, it's not like all buffing out like I used to do it, and that's awesome. So, alright, so get your tin ready, oven preheated. Okay, first thing we'll do is the Oreos, we'll get them prepared. Alright, you need, I'd say probably half a pack. I reckon probably 8. I'll go with 9 because it's a lucky number. Alright, so grab 9 Oreos. Alright, now we've got to crush them, so if you've got one of your crushy thingies or however, whatever you've got to do it, roll and pin, I'll just put them in a freezer bag, and today, for dramatic effect, I'm going to use a hammer. But yeah, get like rolling pin and roll them out, your crusher thingy, your whatever that thingy-majiggy's called, you know, just do it any old which way you want. I'm using a hammer because it's quick and easy. Crush them up. And it's fun. Don't want them like too mutilated. Beautiful. Alrighty. Once you've got them crushed up, chuck them in a bowl. Alrighty, so we'll use half in there and the other half we'll chuck on top. Alright, next thing you need to do is you need to melt down, I'll put the recipe below guys, so definitely go by the recipe, not what I say. Alright, so you want to melt down your white chocolate and butter. Alright, mine's still going. You might melt it on low heat. Get yourself a bowl. You want 1 can, where's my glasses, what are these, 395 gram can of condensed milk, always sweetened. Alright, put that in there. This is so good. It's not so good for you, but it's so good. Get all that goodness in there. Oh yeah. I'm feeling it. Alright, then you've got to get 1 large egg or 2 small ones. I've only got little ones. And put that in there. So 1 large egg or 2 littles. Mix that one up. Now you should be melting your chocolate and your butter mix. This is so simple. So yummy. Alright, you don't have to be full on with it. Blender in there. Yum. Your chocolate and butter have melted. Pour them in. Oh yeah. Mix it up. How so simple is this, my friends? Should mix that up a bit. Oh, the smell is amazing. Yeah, I'm in the mood for brownies today. Okay, once that's done, you got 1.5 cups of plain flour. And you just want to fold it in, so stir it in, nice and slow. I'm in a weird ass mood today. Windy as all hell out there. Kids are about to rock up home from school. These will be in there smelling, and I can tease them for a half hour while they're cooking, and then you've got to wait an hour before you can get them out. I'm going to torture them for about an hour and a half. Okay. make sure it is all mixed in, but yeah, don't go rapidly beating the crap out of it. Just fold it in until you can't see any more powder anywhere. Oh, wouldn't think it, would you? Okay, now that's done. We want to fold in, say, just over half. Alright, and leave, say, yay, I don't know if you can see from there. Say yay so much to put on the top. And just fold them in. Nice and slow. And there you have it. In your tin, in the oven. Half hour to 35 minutes. Oh yeah. So you want it to go like a light brown, but it will still be gooey, alright? Oh dear. These bowls are so heavy. Make sure you get all the goodness in there. Oh yeah. I've had that in my head all the day. It's some sort of song or something. Oh yeah. And then it'd say something or do something. I don't know why. You get something in your head and it just won't go away all day long. I get an oh yeah today. Alright. Look at this. I'll tell you what, I just love some of these recipes I've got. Okay, guess what's left? Over the top. Oh heck yeah. Don't have to tell me twice. I hope you can see it from there. Okay. Get that beautifulness over there. Whack it in your preheated oven. Make sure it's nice and hot. Oh. Cover it all. Know what? You want a little bit of gap in there so it can cook properly. Okay. And in it goes. Oh my god. I don't know why that took 25 minutes. So like I said, every oven is different. So just keep an eye on it. It should be 30-35 minutes. But see, it's like spongy on that there. But it's a bit, you can feel a bit gooey under there. Perfect. Now you have to leave it sitting there for an hour. It's painfully been an hour. Let's do this. Oh, listen to that crunch on the outside. Ooh, look at that, my friends. I'll tell you right now, it tastes way better than it looks. And it looks amazing. Thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Wait, give it a go. What do you got to lose? Bye.